Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes children, are you fine? Yes, so now let's start our social science class. Okay, so all of you take a social science book. All of you take a social science book. Take book page number 141. Take children, take fast. Have you taken children? So in the previous class we have learnt second lesson 5 landforms. Yes. So in this lesson already in the previous class we have learnt Kurunji landform and Mullai landform. Yes or no children? So there are 5 landforms in our Tamil Nadu. Okay, so they are Kurunji landform, Mullai landform and Marudam land, Neithal land and Palai land. Okay, so there are 5 landforms in our Tamil Nadu during the ancient time. Okay, during the ancient time there are 5 lands in our Tamil Nadu. Okay children. So already we have completed Kurunji land and Marudam Mullai land. Yes, already we have learnt the previous day class. Yes or no children? Have you understood that? Did you read the book children? Did you read? If you read the book you can get more knowledge. Okay, நல்லா புக்கை ரீட் பண்ண உனக்கு நல்லா அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆகும். ஓகே, நான் சொல்லக்கூடியதும் புக்கை நீ ரீட் பண்ணும்போதும் உனக்கு அது நல்லா புரியும். ஓகே, ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு ரீட் எவ்ரி டே. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன்? ஓகே, ஸோ நவ் ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ டேக் பேஜ் நம்பர் 141. டுடே வி வில் ஸ்டார்ட் த மருதம் லேண்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ குறிஞ்சி லேண்ட், mountain land. Kurunji land, mountain land, then Mullai land, forest land. Yes or no children? Already we have learnt detailing in previous class. Yes, so that is very easy. Yes, so now let's start our today class. We will feel, so our today topic Marudam land. Okay, so our topic Marudam land. So Marudam land means agricultural land. Marudam land means agricultural land. So full of field. Can you see the picture children? Can you see the picture? வயல்வெளிகள். ஓகே, வயல்வெளி வயலும் வயல் சார்ந்த இடங்களும் தான் மருதம் லேண்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ சி the worst flat land on the earth is called plains. The graph field and their surrounding were known as Marudam. So the agricultural land and the area around it. Okay, agricultural area. Okay, so in Marudam land many people are doing agricultural work only. Okay, so this place is Marudam land, field land, agricultural land. Okay, so vast flat land on the earth surface, plains. Okay, so wherever we can see பெரிய பறந்து விரிஞ்ச புல்வெளி இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த லேண்டை தான் நம்ம பிளைன்ஸ் லேண்ட், சமவெளி அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் மருதம் லேண்ட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ கால்ட் அஸ் அக்ரிகல்ச்சுரல் லேண்ட். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், கேன் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? நெக்ஸ்ட் we will see the theme. Okay, so Marudam land, the people theme. Okay, so they have God, the Marudam land god Indran. Okay, so he is the rain god. He is the rain god. Indran is the rain god. Okay, Malai Kadavul. So the agricultural land, they want water. Yes, for agricultural work, cultivate the crops. Yes or no children? So the Indran is the rain god. Okay, so they have their god is Indran and or Bendan. Indran or Bendan. Okay, then people Ulavar and Ulathiyar. Boy means we call Ulavar, girl means we call Ulathiyar. Okay, then occupation farming. Yes, in the field they are doing agricultural work. Yes, farmers only can do the agricultural work. Yes or no children? So their occupation farming. Okay, their occupation farming. Okay, next plant and flower. The kanji tree and then marudam tree, marudamaram அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்களா? So marudam tree, kanji tree and marudam tree is the plant. Okay, next lotus and kuvalai. lotus and kuvalai flower. Okay, so their flower lotus and kuvalai. Okay, then animal and bird buffalo. Okay, animal buffalo and bird grain. Okay, narai. Okay, see the picture, children. Then musical instrument marudayal. Okay, in Kurunjiyal. Yes, Kurunji musical instrument Kurunjiyal, and Mullai also Mullayal. Yes, Mullai musical instrument Mullayal. So like that here also Marudayal. Okay, their musical instrument based their landform. Okay, children, can you understand clearly? Okay, then their god Indran. People Ulavar and Ulatiyar, occupation farming and flower lotus and kuvalai, plant kanji and marudam, animal buffalo, bird grain, and musical instrument marudayal. Okay, so this is the theme of the Marudam land people. Okay, children, can you understand? Then next page, take next page. See the picture, children. So this is the god. First one Vendan or Indran. Next farmers. Then lotus and kuvalai flower. Can you see, children? Did you see the kuvalai flower? No, yes, we cannot see. Yes, so this is the kuvalai flower. Next buffalo. Next grain, narai. Okay, so this is all the theme. Okay, next up the people and their occupation. So Uran. The people occupation Uran. Okay, Uran. So Uran, small landlord. So கொஞ்சம் இடம் வச்சு அதில் ஃபார்மிங் பண்ணுவாங்களடா. ஸோ they only call Uran. ஓகே, கொஞ்சமாக இடம் வச்சு அந்த லேண்டை மட்டும் அவங்க கல்டிவேஷனுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ that people only we call Uran. Okay, then உழவன். Next உழவன், farm work. Okay, உழவன் farm work. ஓகே, ஸோ அவங்களாம் நினச்சிவாங்க ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஊரான்னா கொஞ்சமாக இடம் வச்சு அவங்க நினச்சிவாங்க வயலில் வேலை செய்வாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் உழவன் நினச்சிவாங்க வேறு ஃபார்மிங் ஒர்க்கு. ஓகே, தே கேன் டூ த அதர் ஃபீல்ட் ஆல்சோ. ஓகே, அதர் ஃபீல்ட் ஆல்சோ தே கேன் டூ தேர் ஒர்க். ஓகே, ஃபார்ம் ஒர்க்கு, விவசாயம் பார்ப்பாங்க. ஓகே, வேறு யாராவது வயல் வச்சுருந்தா அங்கே போய் ஒர்க் பண்ணுவாங்களா. ஸோ லைக் தட் ஒர்க்கு உழவன். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு கடையர்னா கடைலாம் வச்சுருப்பாங்களா, கடையர் வியாபாரி. ஓகே, that is the work the people doing. Okay, next soil. Marudam land. Soil, the land of Marudam is formed of alluvial soil and red soil. Alluvial soil means vandalman. So that is the paddy field. Yes, Marudam land is paddy field. Yes, so the vandalman. Alluvial soil means vandalman, red soil means semman. Okay, so that is the land, soil. Okay, children, that is paddy field. Okay, next amazing fact. See Kallanai. So the pictures, can you see the picture, children? That is Kallanai. Okay, one of the most oldest dam. Okay, old, very old. Okay, 2000 years ago. Okay, it is built 2000 years ago. Okay, இந்த டேம் கட்டி எவ்வளோ வருஷம் ஆகுதான்? 2000 வருஷம் ஆகுதான். 2000 வருஷங்களுக்கு முன்னாடி உள்ள ஓல்டஸ்ட் டேம். Okay, now also we are using this dam. Yes, so Kallanai's dam is very strong. Yes, now also it stands strong. Okay, so Kallanai was built by Karigalan அப்படின ஒரு king. Okay, during the Asian period, Sangam age சங்க காலத்தில் கல்லணை அப்படின்னு ஒரு டேமை கரிகாலன் அப்படின்னு ஒரு கிங் என்ன செஞ்சார், கட்டினார். ஓகே, ஸோ see the picture, that is Kallanai dam, that is Karigalan king. Okay, So Kallanai is an Asian dam which is built across the Kaveri river in Tanjavur district in Tamil Nadu. So Kallanai dam is in Kaveri, Tanjavur district. Okay, in Kallanai dam is in our Tamil Nadu, Tanjavur district. Tanjavur district இருக்கக்கூடிய காவேரி ரிவர், அந்த ரிவரோட குறுக்கா கட்டப்பட்டது தான் கல்லணை டேம். ஓகே, ஸோ இட் இஸ் லென்த் இஸ் 1080 feet, 1080 feet, width 66 feet and height 18 feet. ஸோ அதோட லென்த் அப்படின்னா நீளம். ஓகே, அதோட நீளம் 1080 feet, 1080 feet. அண்ட் தென் வித்னா அகலம். ஓகே, கல்லணை டேமோட அகலம் எவ்வளோ அப்படின்னா 66 feet. ஓகே, தென் ஹைட் உயரம், கொள்ளளவு சொல்லுவாங்களா உயரம், அதோட தண்ணி தேங்கி நிற்கக்கூடிய அளவு. ஸோ ஹைட் தட் இஸ் 80 feet. ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த measurement. Okay, next it is the fourth oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. Okay, so it is the fourth oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. Okay children, can you understand clearly? So Kallanai was built by Karigalan. Okay, next page. Next, Neithal land. We will learn our next day class. Okay children. So now all of you take your classwork note. Take your classwork note. Write the classwork. Take your social classwork. So children, take take the social classwork note and write continuously. Okay, so in the previous class already we have completed meanings and fill-ups, match the following. Yes or no children, have you completed everything? Okay, so now leave only one line and write continuously. Put today date and day. Answer in short. Write answer in short. So the first question, name the people of 5 Thinai. Name the people of 5 Thinais. Okay, so there are 5 Thinais in Asian India. Asian Tamil Nadu. Asian Tamil Nadu, there are 5 Thinais. Okay, so they are Kurunchi Thinai, Mullai, Marudam, Neithal and Palai. Okay, so that only given here. Okay children, so the Thinai and people. Okay, so you have to put the box like this. See the slide and put the box like this. Okay children, you also write like this. Okay, see the slide and put the box in your note. Put the box in your note. Have you put the box? Okay, so now start to write the left side Thinai and then the right side people. Okay, so the Thinai and people you have to write little big. Okay children, konja perusa eludhanum. So that is title. Yes, Thinai and people. So write little big. So the left side Kurunji. Number 1 போட்டுக்கோ Kurunji. Number 1 Kurunji. Then right side people Kuravar. Kuravar, comma Kuratiyar. K-U-R-A-V-A-R. Kuravar, Kuratiyar. K-U-R-A-T-H-I-Y-A-R. Kuratiyar. Kuravar, Kuratiyar. Finished? Then next second. Mullai. M-U-L-L-A-I. Mullai. People Idayar, Idachiyar. இடையர் இடச்சியர் IDAIYAR இடையர் இடச்சியர் IDAICHIYAR இடச்சியர் கமா ஆயர் ஆய்ச்சியர் ஆயர் ஆய்ச்சியர் AAYAR ஆயர் AAICHIYAR ஆய்ச்சியர். Okay, then 3 மருதம். Put number 3 and write மருதம். People உழவர் உழத்தியர் VAR உழவர் கமா உழத்தியர் UZATHTHIYAR உழத்தியர் உழவர் கமா உழத்தியர். Then next நெய்தல். Put number 4 and write நெய்தல். நெய்தல் பரதவர் நெய்தல் பரதவர் fisherman பரதவர் fisherman. Okay, then 5th பாலை எய்னர் எய்தியர் Write neatly, children. Your handwriting should be very neat. Okay, children. So you have to write slowly and neatly. Sharp your pencil. Put the box with the pencil and scale. Okay, so no need to put the box with your hand. Okay, children. யாரும் உன்னோட கையை வச்சு பாக்ஸ் வரையவே கூடாது. ஓகே, ஸ்கேலு பென்சிலை யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் செய்யணும் பாக்ஸ் போடணும். அப்போ தான் நோட்டு நீட்டாக இருக்கும் பார்க்குறதுக்கு. ஓகே, ஸோ யாராவது கையால் வரைஞ்சதுன்னா எப்போவுமே அழிச்சிட்டு ஸ்கேலு பென்சில் யூஸ் பண்ணி என்ன செய்யணும், பாக்ஸ் போட்டு நீட்டாக எழுதியிருக்கணும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். ஓகே, ஸோ ஹேவ் ரிட்டன் பாலை எய்னர் எய்ட்ரியர். ஓகே, finished. So now listen all of you. திணை குறிஞ்சி people குறவர் குறத்தியர். Next திணை முல்லை people ஆயர் ஆய்ச்சியர். இடையர் இடச்சியர் ஆயர் ஆய்ச்சியர். Next திணை மருதம் people உழவர் உழத்தியர். திணை நெல்லை நெய்தல் people பரதவர் fisherman. Next திணை பாலை people எய்னர் and எய்ட்ரியர். Okay, have you written children? Can you read now? Okay, then next question, leave one line and write next question. Leave one line and write next question. Put number 2. Write second question. List 4 themes of Mullai land. List 4 themes of Mullai land. List 4 themes of Mullai land. Finished? So put box like this. God Thirumal. God Thirumal. And next people Idayar, Idachiyar, Ayar, Aichiyar. Put the box like this and write neatly. Put the box with the pencil and scale. Okay children. Next occupation, cattle rearing, gathering fruit, showing millet. Cattle rearing. So have you written children? List 4 themes of Mullai land. So God, Thirumal, people, Idayar, Idachiyar, Ayar, Aichiyar. Then occupation, cattle rearing, gathering fruits, showing millet. Then plant flower, plant go, flower, Mullai flower. Goa, Mullai flower. Animal, deer, rabbit, parrot. Musical instrument, mullayal. Okay, so have you written, children? So have you written, children? Have you finished? Okay, so now listen. Leave one line and write next question. Okay, have you written, children? Leave one line and write next question. What do you know about Sembulan? What do you know about Sembulam? What do you know about Sembulam? So the answer, leave one line and write the answer. The forest region is referred as Mullai land. The forest region is referred as Mullai land. The forest region is referred as Mullai land. Mullai land. This region is also called Sembulam due to the presence of red soil. The forest region is referred as Mullai land. This region is also called Sembulam due to the presence of red soil. Okay, have you written, children? Then leave one line and write fourth question. How the Palai region is formed? How the Palai region is formed? Write the answer. When Kurunji and Mullai dried up, it is called Palai. It is called Palai region. When Kurunji and Mullai dried up, it is called Palai. Okay, have you written, children? Have you finished? So listen, what do you know about Sembulam? So the answer, the forest region is referred as Mullai land. This region is also called Sembulam due to the presence of red soil. Then next, how the Palai region is formed. When Kurunji and Mullai dried up, it is called Palai. Okay. So have you completed class for children? So now all of you take your homework note. Write the homework. Put today date and day. Find and write fill-ups. Find and write fill-ups. Book page number 141 and 142. So the first fill-up, Marudam land is formed of dash and dash. Marudam land is formed of dash and dash. Then leave one line and write second. Dash dam is built across the Kaveri river in Tanjavur. Dash dam is built across the Kaveri river in Tanjavur. Then third one, leave one line and write dash land is agricultural land. Dash land is agricultural land. So these three fill-ups are homework. Okay, children, you have to write correctly. Okay, read the book, page number 141 and 142. You have to read the book and write the correct answer. Okay, children, then we will see our next day class. Okay, the remaining Neidal and Palai, we will see our next day class. Okay, children. So now all of you have to read the book and write the homework and study classwork. Okay, children. Then we will see our next class. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.